This video is sponsored by Smallrig. Lighting is one of the most important aspects of photography and videography, up there with the cameras and the lenses that you choose to use. Viewers of my channel know that I've used a lot of different lights depending on the situation that I find myself in, and one of the newest lights that I've added to my kit is the Smallrig RC60. It's a 60-watt LED video light that is perfect for someone like me who is making YouTube videos on the go. It's small enough to fit into a camera bag weighing only 1.3 pounds or 650 grams, and it gives you a lot of light output even in this small form factor. For reference, the size of this light is 3.35 inches by 3.94 inches, and it's 3.35 inches tall. It's deceptively bright as well, offering 2670 lux at 1 meter, and that's at 5600 Kelvin. You can adjust the color temperature from 2700 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin via the small knob on the side of the light, and you can see all of the settings on this 1.3-inch LCD screen. I personally don't use lighting effects that often, but it's nice to see that they've included 9 different lighting effects, including paparazzi, lightning, party, faulty bulb, TV, flame, fireworks, and breath. Maybe one day I'll get around to using one of those features, but the one thing that makes this light super interesting for me is the built-in battery. Anytime you're going out to film a video and you need a light, the less things you have to bring, the better. With the RC60, it has a 49 watt-hour battery that gives you around 45 minutes of use at full power. If you put that light into eco mode, it drops the output slightly, but it gives you up to 75 minutes of use at full power. For those productions where you need to run it for longer, the light itself can be powered via a USB-C PD charger, and they even have accessories for it where you could use a V-mount battery with it. I pretty much always have a USB-C cable with me, and being able to use this light with a small battery is really useful. I like how they designed the clamp for the power bank as well. When you have it on the light, you still have access to the power and eco buttons as well as the USB-C port. Since this light is meant for vlogging and video use in general, it's important that it doesn't make a lot of noise. Smallrig incorporated a silent cooling fan, which helps to keep it running cool and doesn't make significant amounts of noise that your camera or your microphone will pick up in the recording. If you get one of these lights, you'll get the RC60 light, the power bank clamp, a 45-degree mini reflector, a 9.8-foot USB-C charging cable, a light stand adapter, a handle, and a carrying case. Smallrig also has a mini softbox that pairs up nicely with this light, and it gives you a softer result. Personally, I like taking small LEDs like this one and bouncing them off of a white wall or a V-flat to give a natural looking soft light. And if you're wondering what that would look like, that's exactly how I've been lighting myself in this video. There are going to be times when you're trying to make a video that a light like this is going to really come in handy, and having one that actually gives you nice skin tones and doesn't take up a bunch of space might make the difference between a dull looking video and one that looks well produced. Retail pricing on the Smallrig RC60 is only $199. If you have any questions about the light, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.